In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and analyze your CRM data using Zoho's powerful tools, Zoho CRM, and Zoho Analytics. If you're looking to get insightful data from your customer relationship management activities and want to visualize it in a way that's both intuitive and impactful, you're in the right place. Let's dive deep into the process, and by the end of this session, you'll be creating custom reports and sharing insights with your team like a pro. To start with, open Google Chrome, the recommended browser for this tutorial due to its compatibility and speed. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. If you don't have one, it might be a good idea to set up your account prior to this walkthrough. Once you're signed in, open another tab in your browser and log into Zoho Analytics. Ensure your credentials are ready because we'll need seamless transitions between these two platforms. With both platforms open, you're now ready to establish a connection between them. Head over to Zoho Analytics. Here, we will set up Zoho CRM as a data source. In Zoho Analytics, look for data sources on the dashboard, and from the options, select Zoho CRM. This is where the integration magic happens. This step is crucial because it allows you to pull all the data you need for comprehensive analysis and reporting from your CRM. Once you've set up Zoho CRM as your data source, the next action is to import the CRM data into Zoho Analytics. This process may involve a few steps where you select the data you'd like to import. Be mindful of what data sets are crucial for your report generation and dashboards. Importing the right data will save you time and make your analysis more targeted. After importing your data, this is where the fun begins. Zoho Analytics offers you a set of dynamic drag and drop tools to create custom reports and dashboards. Explore the sales trends and key performance indicators that matter most to your business. By simply dragging fields into your workspace, you can visualize data trends, make comparisons, and extract meaningful insights without needing advanced coding skills. Lastly, once your reports are polished and ready, it's time to share them with your team. Look for the sharing options. This could be exporting reports or securely inviting team members to view these analytics. Sharing your reports isn't just about displaying numbers, it's about driving decisions and strategies with reliable data insights. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've integrated Zoho CRM data with Zoho Analytics, imported the necessary data, crafted custom reports and dashboards, and shared these insights with your team. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to dive back in and continue refining your reports as new data becomes available. Thank you for joining today, and happy analyzing.